So there we go, all locked up, ready for the day. Sun is out, beautiful blue sea. Me and James ready to go. He's got his scubber, I've got my tempo, and we're heading down off Southbourne beach, and it's going to be awesome, isn't it, James?
It certainly is, mate.
See, evidence. Right, James, I reckon we're going to have to go fishing now.
Yeah,
it's been a long time.
It certainly has.
And look at that sea. It's so clear.
Superb.
Even the height of summer, we don't get it that clear at home. So what are we after then, James? What are we going to catch? What are we going to catch?
Well, hopefully we should see a few undulate ray today. Certainly plenty of mackerel, he says.
Sushi. Oh, it's going to be good. Right.
Maybe a few gurnards.
Oh, I love them. I love them.
Nothing.
It's the kind of fishing day you dream about. You just don't get this sort of day very often. My first day. This is going to be a great holiday. I can see the bottom already. It's like 10 foot. This is just going to be glorious. Look at this dude. I don't know what it is, but I want one. James is anchored up over there, I'm anchored up over here. We're in about 45 foot water. We've been out an hour and a half. We haven't managed to get any mackerel, unbelievably. It's so clear, but there's no tide running. So now we're baiting up, we're going to go for undulates. I've got a strip of frozen mackerel with a small whole unwashed squid. So that's going to go down on a running ledger, 2.0 pennel, with about 3 ounce bomb or over sand. So fingers crossed we'll get something to actually look at. I forgot what it's like fishing in the Solent. Just, you know, I mean, it's beautiful and blue and filled with waffies. So here we go. Oh, he's actually turned off a little bit, but that's what we like, our wind assisted flipping, he says, because it's YouTube, idiots. And we're in. There's a good fish on here. I think it possibly is. This is heavy. It's a big fish. There he goes, pulling, and it's a ray. There was no bite. No. That's just settled on it. So it's definitely a ray. So I'm going to start pulling it in. We got. Oh, look at that. This is something like a 20, 40 pound rod, ain't? Yeah. What's that say on there? Or 40 to 60? What we got? 20 to 40 pound. Lift that tip so you can see some movement in it. Mackerel and squid. So there was a whole squid on the bottom hook and half a mackerel fillet. Oh, there we go. On the other.
I reckon it's probably going to come up fairly soon.
A while.
Well, without tide. You know, there's only a slight bit of tide here.
Oh, here we go.
That's nice, right, we can see now, can't we?
Yeah. Can't see what it is.
Probably a barrel jellyfish. There's a big ray.
Yeah, it's an undulate.
Yay! First undulate, thank you, James, that's what we were here for. That is, oh, that's big.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
It is, yeah. That's all you get here. They don't come smaller.
Wow. That's certainly double figure. That's bigger than any of my plates.
There we go.
Look at that, what a beauty. I'm going to have to take a photo actually. That's a heavy fish.
That is a good fish, Mark. That's definitely double figures. Right, down we go.
Oh, that is one heavy fish. Go on, mate. Give it a go. Beautiful. That's fantastic, James. That's what I came for. An undulate. New species. That's going to take some beating as well.
Yeah, well done, Mark. Well done.
So James has had our bank and now he's just re-anchored and he's come back and I'm on again. And now he's caught in my line in his hat. Look at this one's fun. Look at this. This one's playing for it. He's crashing. He's crashed and diving. I'll take that clicker off. I only do it 'cause it sounds nice. I wonder what it is. It's coming up a lot easier.
It's got to be another one the same, surely.
I don't think it's a ray. Monster bass, maybe. Good, I haven't had a double figure bass for a while. It's like 4 dogfish. Oh no, it's a ray.
Yeah, no.
Smaller, a lot smaller. I think.
Nah.
Oh no, it's still good.
No, no. You don't get small ones here.
Oh, it's smaller.
Yeah, he's smaller. Oh, gaffed it.
Eh?
Got it in the edge of the wing, I think.
No, in the nose.
Oh, yeah.
It's gone unhooked nicely, so that's good. Oh no, it's a male, it's male. Alright, that's a good thing. Hush now, Charlie.
Marvellous.
Absolute stunning fish. You can tell it's a sandy bottom because it's quite bland colouring. Look at that.
Yeah, lovely.
Lovely.
Cracking.
Yeah. Straight down the bottom.
Marvellous.
Hey, another old friend. Here's Rich. Lovely. Thank you for coming down to see me. So this is your neck of the woods, isn't it? Now I last saw you over there, and that's got to be 10 years ago. So here we go. I'm dragging this up the road, and I hear hooting behind me and gesticulating, and I think, oh, some miserable old bugger. But no, it's Ken.
A real miserable old bugger.
It's Ken, and it's Len as well. And for those of you who don't know who Len is there. So there's Len and Ken. It's good to see you, buddy. He's been driving around all day trying to find me because he heard a rumour that I was in the area. I'm really chuffed actually. It's good to see.